Hey guys, this is your girl Nadia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another story for you. I'm here with Dave. Dave doesn't want to be on camera, guys, so I'm going to respect that. Yes, guys, he's going to share his story when and how he got deported from America. So stay tuned, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. And remember to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your family and friends. And let's get into the story.
Yeah, man. So in 2022, me here say a rough program run a movie at a agency. So me and my party decided to try our luck. Yo, when we go movie and see the amount of people that try to get through for the program, I turn to my party and I say, yo, dude, it seem like I get through for the program, you know. So we do a thing and we get through to go up on the program. The program go for 8 months. So we didn't know when we are work and thing, and we decided say, after the program up and go back a yard. But star, my virgin different meds, because guess what now? Him girlfriend is pregnant, so him say, him not do that. Him not run off, because he want to see you grow. Because I'm first youth. So me say, alright dude, guess what? I go try my luck. So me do so boom. And call one bridge me over there, and he say, yeah man, anytime man, forward in. I say, alright, that's it. So after the program up my bridging forward back at Jamaica, and me forward the bridging yard. So me didn't know, and but me know say when me reach there, the wife just look at me and way. So me now free that come here and say, yo, my bridging wife, and me wouldn't do that still. Me wouldn't disrespect my bridging like that. But the woman just look at me and way star. So about a month or so after my bridging line up another work for me, and me work and thing, and me make sure say me see some of my money and send back a yard cause for me them know what game can play. So yeah man, me did do that man, and the friend of this girlfriend was to come look for her at the yard still, and my brother didn't work at night time because he worked 2 jobs, right? So mostly gone. So me and the friend start get close and thing now. But me notice so whenever time the friend come at the house, the wife just start act a weird star like she act like she jealous. So me I say, yo, I would don't want there going so, but me not really appreciate it like me I say my virgin wife and me just now go this. So when even me come from work, me go in at the shower and take a quick shower and then me go lay down on the bed and me breathe cause yo dude tired. My brethren already there work and my brethren already come home until late cause he work 2 jobs. So me did this a boom and almost doze off and then hear the door open. When me look, me say boom bat star. Yo, the wife coming at the room in the laundry. So the woman look good. Why me the one knock it tonight but couldn't do that cause guess what? The bridging wife. And have to respect the bridging because I mean the bridging house and thing. So I say I have to control myself the night there. The woman just come ask me if she can borrow my charger because she can't find her one. Me just start feeling uncomfortable around her. Because I know the thing she used to do. Remember one night she in the kitchen and me going to the kitchen for some water and the woman make a bad bend down there. Yo, me have to just make a U-turn. Because everything print out run back man. Maybe if me never in the bridging house me then knock it. Because he didn't want to get knocked. Yeah man, he wanted knockings. But we couldn't do that because the bridging take me in the house, we couldn't do that to the bridging, you see me? Yo, one night me in the bathroom I bed and the girl come in the naked. They told me frightened. Me say, my girl, what you doing here? She come make me know so my friend now satisfy her and she not get it the way she want it and thing. Me say my head swell big. Everything start go through my mind now, cause John was star, the girl was good. I tell her so I can't take it still cause she am a virgin wife. But the cat to get vexed and start cuss and thing and say me a waste man. Me a gay. Must come out of our house cause we don't know a good thing when we see it. Yo, you know so the woman take up her phone and call her husband and tell him say he must come home because me there try to rape her and me come in the bathroom for her naked. And she have to try fight me off and thing. My brethren call me now and I cussing and I say, yo dog, make sure so me come out the yard, dead. Because me I go kill you. But if you try to rape the woman after me try help you and thing, bro, if you do that, So me I try explain to the dude say, I no saw you go man, I no saw you go, me wouldn't do that man. And your woman I try and me just tell her I said no me can't do it. But the bridge never listen to me no so he vexed and hang up your phone. Man so must leave in your star but where me I go? You see me? Never have know if you got the time. So me just wait until him come home and me try explain to him the situation and make him know say, oh, I mean me do that you know, your wife I try them something there you know. Me just taste you know my youth. But the man give me two choices, man say make sense me go back a yard or me find somewhere and go. Either way me have to leave in place. You don't know some of the morning now me did I try make two call and think to try find somewhere go. Do man the husband call immigration for me. Yeah man them call immigration and I make me know so me lucky they never call police because if they call police at prison me don't go on. But I'm wife you know my girl. I'm gonna believe in wife so you so me not really make that bother me anymore you know. So me just say you know I me the wrong still we go there. You see me? But sometimes I look back in the night and say, yo, me should knock it up, you know, because if they knock it up, probably that's still there. But I just saw the thing set, you know? Yeah, man. Me good now still, you know, me get two youth and them in a primary school and me and the baby mother are going good. But I just want to share my story. So if anybody out there go through the same thing can learn from my mistake. Yeah, man. So thanks for the opportunity for making me come on your channel to share my story. Respect my girl.
Wow, this was a story indeed. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the story, and if you did, please remember to give me a like, share the video with your family and friends, subscribe to the channel, and remember guys, sometimes when you're in your country, even though things may not be, our life may not be all that good in your country, sometimes the best thing for you to do is, you know, stay in your country, try and build your country, because sometimes when you run off in another man's country or another man's land, it doesn't work out. For some people it works out, for some people it don't work out. Everybody is not the same, everybody don't have the same luck. And to all the deportees out there who got deported from America, probably long time or since of lately, it's not the end of the road. You can start life again. Yeah, my best of luck and well wishes to you all. And guys, if you have stories that you want to share on the channel, my number is on the channel in the description box. You can go over there and give me a call and we can, you know, arrange for your story to be told, whether you want to voice note the story to me or whatever, or you want to call on the phone and talk and I record it, whatever, you can always, you know, do that. And if you don't want your voice to be heard like Dave, we can also disguise your voice. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.